Oh, walk.
No!
Walk! Don't wrap around me!
On March 28, 2024, officers were dispatched in response to reports of a woman assaulting a store manager and stealing merchandise valued at over $1,000. While canvassing the area, officers observed a woman matching the suspect's description.
Stop. You want to back to your car? That's fine. But just if you're just stop walking from me though, okay? Right? I just want to chill with you. Right? I don't know if I take something, they wouldn't let me take shit. Okay, but we're talking Jewel, right? Yeah, I was gonna rob them and I didn't. Well, just hang tight though, girl. Hold on. Listen. Hang tight for what? Well, because you're getting like way too amped up about it. You know what I mean? No, I don't know what to do. Well, then just stop and listen. Oh, like it's as simple as that. Yes. Because I'm so amped up. You just stop. Don't act like I'm not gonna stop. Like I'm not gonna stop. You were walking away. I was walking to your car. Stop many times. And I was walking to your car like you asked me to do. But I told you to stop many times. So just chill out. So were you at Jewel? I was at Julasco. What happened here? You okay? No, I'm not okay. Thanks for asking. I'm asking. What's it matter for? It has nothing to do with you. What's it matter? But it does. I don't know what happened at Jewel. I have no idea what happened at Jewel. Shit happened at Jewel. Let's talk about it. What happened with that bottle? I dropped it. All right. So nothing happened at Jewel. No. You didn't steal nothing? I didn't steal shit. Did you have a cart? I did have a cart. Okay. And did I leave with it? No. I didn't take shit out that store. So you got nothing on you, nothing like that? Nothing on me. I got this bottle that's broken. Okay.
We can give you a ticket for open container, okay? So that's gonna stop. You got an ID on you?
I do. I can. So what happened? What they said was that you were battered. I battered? You battered somebody. I beat someone up. Yeah. No, I didn't. That's what they said. Did I? That's why I was trying to be chill with you and like figure that out. You know what I mean? You said I don't want to get beat up. Who? I wouldn't beat you up. I wouldn't beat nobody up. I can assure you wouldn't beat me up. I know. I wouldn't. Okay. I wouldn't try.
Where are you living at now?
I'm homeless.
Homeless? Okay.
So I'll call you back, okay? I'm pulled over by the cops. I ain't do shit. I wish I would have did something now that all these police people are around me. They said I stole something from Jewel. I was going to, but I didn't. Is it a minor that's up there?
Yeah.
Oh. You just matched the exact description of what somebody being hit in the face, okay? They said that a cart full of items was stolen and that the manager was hit in the face by a female matching your exact description. I didn't hit nobody in the face and I wish I would have stole something. So we just gonna stand here then?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. For sure. I'm gonna set this down then. You want to check my bag, make sure I ain't steal nothing?
Yeah, if you let me.
No, actually don't look in my bag.
Why not? No weapons? I won't
there's
search
a knife in there.
Alright, we'll leave it over here then, okay?
Okay, zip it up.
Yep, that's fine. You got a knife in
Can you put the bottle down, please?
No, thank you.
You're gonna put I'm not gonna get cut with a bottle. Are you kidding me?
You said put it down. I did what you asked me to do.
So you dropped that on my foot?
It did not drop on your foot. It's not even by your foot. It's next to your foot, 2 inches. It hit your foot for real? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Don't! Hey!
I was gonna throw it on my foot. Stop! Stop!
Oh, don't you dare.
I'll put my hands behind my back. Stop!
Quit!
I'm not doing shit.
Drop your phone.
No. Stop. You're not gonna take my phone from me. Stop!
I got it.
You got it? Get on the ground.
Hands on your back!
Stop!
Hold on. I got this.
Please get off of me and I'll put my hands behind my back willingly. Please get off of me. Please! I can put my hands behind my back.
Put it behind your back. Put this one.
Get off of me.
No, put your hands behind your back.
You already got a resistance charge. You got this one?
Please, you get off of me. I'll put my hands behind my back. Let go of me now.
Let's go this.
Ouch!
You got this one?
Stop!
The line's right here, yeah.
Here, just cover it.
Alright.
Put a cuff on. She just bit me. Are you kidding me? She bit me. Be careful.
Stop!
To jail. They double locked.
No.
Quit!
Let go of whatever's on that. Let go of that hand. Let go of it. Watch your hand. I gotta loosen them up.
Oh, you gotta loosen them up now, huh?
Watch your leg, dude. She'll bite you. No, they're not.
All right.
She's not. No, you're not taking them off. Double lock them. So you're fine. No, she's trying to bite you.
No, I'm not trying to
Stop
bite
it!
shit.
Knock it
I'm
off!
not doing that thing.
You just tried to bite his leg
I'm
again.
in the ground because you have my head pushed into the ground. I'm not biting
Because
you.
you
You're
just
fucking
bit me.
stupid. Yeah, I bit you because why the f you pushing my face into the ground? I'm not even doing nothing. I said I would let you help me up.
All right, no. Walk.
No!
Walk. Don't wrap around me!
Grab legs. You're going in the squad car. You just keep
I know I'm going in the squad car.
got it? You got your legs.
Please stop. No, I'm not. I said I would walk. Stop.
You want to act like a child? We'll carry you.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Okay. Here you go. Grab.
Sorry, let me help with my
Yeah.
Ow!
Okay, Rumple, grab that sack. We need to get her in a car before she kicks someone.
Ow! Stop!
Her down. You got the door open? She kick you?
Yeah. My groin.
Alright.
Oh my god.
3 felonies, congrats.
Whoa!
Quit.
Let go of me!
Get in the car.
How am I supposed to get in the car?
We're gonna put you in the car.
Oh yeah, but you want it.
Yeah. I don't want to get better. Get in the car.
I can't! Can you let me get myself in?
No.
No?
Because you keep kicking and biting us.
So I can't help myself in. So I'm not laying like this. Okay. When we not getting in here.
You
Oh, you trying to put my arms over my back? Well, that's not
Pull it toward me. Okay, get in.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
How can I get in if I'm not standing up?
Go in. There you go.
Oh, okay. Can I have my soft bag, please?
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Ah!
Put your foot in.
You're gonna get the...
Yeah. Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Let me on my hand.
No. Put your foot in.
Okay.
We'll just hobble you. Grab a hobble. No. Back.
I'm sitting here.
Go ahead. Pull tight. Put that in there.
She's gonna bite. What's your name?
You're about to get tased. Do you understand me? Yes, because you're actively kicking a police officer.
No, I'm not. He won't let me put my feet in the vehicle. He's just trying to put my feet in the plastic. You don't need to tie my feet up. Hey, calm down.
You keep kicking us so you're getting your hobble. Push her in.
I can get in by myself. You could have closed the door this whole time.
Watch your foot. You guys okay?
Yeah. Okay. She what?
Shoot me in the balls. Are you okay? Yeah. How did you throw up?
Okay. Well, she started walking away. She told me she was going to rob Joel. And that's why I was like, okay, stop. And then she wouldn't stop, and that's when I finally grabbed her. What's she kicking?
The barricade.
Those windows have bars, right?
Yeah, this one does.
Okay, good. She can kick all she wants then.
Hey, what's up?
So I'm not gonna be able to do a show because she's so combative.
So we have video footage of it.
Red sweatshirt, dyed hair. I mean, it's her.
She had a white backpack.
Yeah, it's her. And oh, you watched it on video?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you guys, when you're down there, just come up here and look at her? And I mean, the description's perfect, and then you guys watching the video and seeing her, we're solid. Yeah, she's just so combative we can't even get out of the car. So.
So we have battery and felony retail theft.
And was the stolen items put into the white backpack?
They said there possibly might be some in there. She had a cart full of items, like it's over $1,000.
Oh, where'd that go?
So she pushed the cart past the final purchase point, battered our victim, and then took off on foot.
Chill out. Why are you doing that? You're gonna... Why?
She's bashing her head into it?
Yeah. And it's like, I want to...
I'm gonna have them hurry up, get up here, solid ID, and then we're gonna have battery and felony retail theft there, and then we'll do 3 counts of ag bat for here.
Okay. All right, listen, I'm gonna give you this inhaler, okay?
Can I fix myself, please?
Yes, yeah, let's do that.
Are you gonna kick or bite us?
No!
Okay, we will help you then.
Please don't touch me then, please.
Well, then how are we supposed to
Just stay right there and don't touch me, please.
Okay, you asked for your inhaler, so do you want me to take a minute to get up?
No, I want it, please.
Well, you're the one contorting yourself like this. I'm not gonna let you fall.
I said please don't touch me.
Okay, I'm gonna touch you.
Let me have my inhaler.
Then get up.
Please. Here, just hand it to me.
Can you get it from that angle, though? Here, let me just help you with it. Can I just help you with this? Okay, let me see. Just, here. Are you ready? Just, hey, take a breath. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. Trying to put your
Have a seat back in.
I got it.
Okay, sit back in.
Like I said, I would have done this for
No,
the
you
first
wouldn't have,
place.
so
Yes,
stop.
I would have.
Well, don't bite and kick police officers then.
Well, don't pull me down.
Well, you're under arrest for battery on the manager, felony retail theft, and then 3 counts of aggravated battery. For hitting us. Move your foot. Move your foot.
Out of the door.
It's moved.
No, it's not. Move it in.
It's not in the way.
I'm not playing your games.
I'm not playing your
You're
games.
going to
It's not
county,
in the way.
so put your foot in. Anything looks...
Was it anything for this, though? I don't know if it...
Yeah, it was a combative resisting.
Nothing looks stolen.
27, are you guys almost up here? We need to get her out of here. We need to get going. She's grabbing at your rifle and stuff. Do you know your partition was open? Yeah, she knows how to pry them open with her teeth. You're gonna get hobbled. Knock it off.
Oh, just let me out.
She's gonna break the partition or something. Will you don't open the back door, just look in through the plexiglass. This thing. Is that her? Okay. So grab the legs, hobble them, lock in the car, and then we'll get you going.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, so you were gonna grab my feet and you're gonna grab my hands?
They're gonna get hobbled.
Just calm down.
I'm
Calm
calm.
down. Cannot let you hurt yourself or
Okay, I'm not. The only way I'm hurting myself is because you're holding me down and my wrist. I'm not doing nothing. I'm laying here. I'm not kicking. I won't kick. Stop trying to sound me out. That shit makes me go insane. Please don't. Please don't. I won't do nothing. Please, I promise you. I promise you I won't. Please. No, I didn't. It's because y'all kept trying to hold me down. Please stop. No, I'm gonna get angry. Please stop. Please. I won't bite you no more. Please stop.
I'm not letting you break equipment.
And you're not letting me break my legs either, huh? Yes, I promise.
Okay, do you have it tight?
Oh, my mama. Stop! Stop! I will stay chill if you let go. I promise you, I will stay chill.
No,
I
we're not
promise
doing
on
this.
everything
You're
I
just
love.
about brokenness.
Tell him to stop and I will stop. That's the only thing that I do with this.
Have it. Listen, this entire time with us.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
But we have.
Stop! Don't do it. Stop! This shit is hurting my wrist.
Okay.
We want to sit up, but you're not because y'all won't let go of me.
At least one leg's done. Okay. Done.
Because y'all won't let me, you stupid. Look, I told you I would sit up. Oh, my arm let go of my...
Am I good to just go, Sarge?
Yeah, just go tell Connie she's like kicking.
I'm leaving.
She on this side or?
Her feet should be over here. I think her head's back here, but she just likes to bite. She likes to kick.
Oh, yeah.
She's starting to move.
Let me hold myself. Ow.
What? Ow. Jeez, breathe.
No, I can walk, please. Please let me walk. It hurts so bad.
The woman was charged with felony shoplifting, battery, resisting arrest, criminal damage to property, and 3 counts of aggravated battery against a peace officer.